Welcome to the Northland Beat. Today we're looking at how the iCrimeFighter digital evidence management system benefits law enforcement agencies in the field and beyond. Officers collect a growing volume of digital evidence every day: body cam footage, dash cam video, interviews, photos, and reports. Managing that data efficiently can be a challenge. iCrimeFighter brings it all together. It provides a single, secure platform where evidence can be uploaded, categorized, and managed in real time. That means less time spent tracking files and more time focused on the investigation. With intuitive tools, officers can quickly tag evidence, add notes, and link materials to cases as they're built. Supervisors gain visibility into case progress, while record staff can ensure everything is organized and compliant. iCrimeFighter also simplifies evidence sharing, whether with prosecutors, investigators, or partner agencies, without relying on manual transfers or duplicated files. And because the system maintains a clear chain of custody, agencies can stand behind the integrity of their evidence from collection to courtroom. The impact is immediate: improved efficiency, stronger case management, and better collaboration across the entire justice process. iCrimeFighter helps agencies stay organized, responsive, and ready for whatever comes next. Learn more at northlandsys.com/iCrimeFighter. Thanks for watching.